Welcome back to your show, friends. I'm very excited about our show because, especially with the guest that I'm going to introduce you, because we go back a long way. And you'll find out why and how in a few minutes, because right now our guest is synonymous to not just music, but musical hit songs. He's a composer, an excellent musical director. Wow, a lot of things. He's actually a musical genius, no? Now he has a DVD out entitled The Voice Training Course in a Box. Please welcome one of the most respected names in the industry, music industry, Mon Del Rosario. Mon! Nice to see you again. It's been a long time. Sit down. Wow, thank you. Thank you for making time tonight. Oo, kaya, alam mo, medyo excited talaga ako makita kasi last time we saw each other was what? 15 years ago or more?
More
pa yata no? Nung nagre-record ako doon sa studio mo sa may E. Rodriguez.
Hindi pa nasusunog.
Nasunog ba yun?
Oo, nasunog yun. Kaya I had to vacate and find another venue para... Pero may nakaset up uli ngayon studio.
Saan na ngayon to?
It's at Congressional Avenue. The name of the studio is Talent Asia.
Okay. So, you hold office there. Yun na rin yung talent management mo, no?
Lahat. Production doon.
Friends, just to be very candid with you, no? The younger set especially may not know this. And just to refresh the memories naman of those na medyo kaidara namin na, si Mon, yung ang first, niya is, ticket niya is to music is yung Baliw.
Sino ang Baliw?
Sino ang Baliw? Get ko top 10, di ba?
That was 1981.
1981, no? And then after that, diretso na hit after hit. Sino ba mga, ang dami, just name a few.
To name a few, yung hit song ni Imelda Papin, Ang Linggong Pag-ibig.
Isang Linggong Pag-ibig, yes. Actually, hindi lang basta hit song yan Yan yung sambaking niya Yan ang kanyang ticket pabalik ng
right. Andyan din yung hit ni Julie Vega, yung Somewhere in My Past. Nakamatayan nga lang yung album. Sayang. Sana nakagawa pa na mas marami. Andyan din yung song ni Tila Paner, Tamis ng Unang Halik.
Unang Halik. Ayun. Lagi ako naiyak every time I hear it, no?
Ang isa pang memorable, yan. Alam mo na kung sino talaga? Ako, hindi pa
Hindi pa rin?
Hinahanap ko pa rin.
After all these years, hindi mo pa rin alam.
Hindi kung sino talaga.
Hindi pa yun. Yung aking hit song, na sana'y oo na. I owe it all also to Mr. Mon Del Rosario. Talagang... thank you, sir, for...
Kakantahin mo ulit, di ba?
Kakantahin ba? Ako na ako, tayong dalawa.
Tayong dalawa.
Then, let's go muna to, you still look the same, ha?
Ikaw rin, nagtataka ako sa iyo. Parang pumasok ko sa isang capsule. Parang hindi nagbago.
Hindi, parang... Ikaw nga eh. Kaya nga nakita ko sa... Pumasok na... Simon na pala to. Talaga. What's your secret?
Siguro, yung attitude sa buhay. Kailangan lagi ka masaya. Diba? Problema, hindi ko pinapayagan yan. Maka-apekto sa akin. Iniwanan ko yan. Ay, walang katapusan yan.
Wala talaga.
Especially ako nga, involved ako sa maraming issues, within the music industry.
Right. Like you are currently pala, I'm sorry, let me just touch it there. Si Monden Friends, ang ating presidente ng Phil's Cup for how many years consecutively?
4 na taon na.
4 years na, no?
4 na taon na.
Blake, ang dami palang, meron yung mga controversies tayo.
Madami talaga. And you need to, weave through yung mga ganyang issues. With minimal na sama ng loob at kakita, di ba?
Especially with Phil's Cup, you are dealing directly with artists who are very diverse in form and in substance.
Tama ka doon. Hirap i-comprehend.
Ang hirap no?
Alam natin kasi tayo, ganun din
Pero alam mo, ang maganda naman yan dahil ikaw, medyo naman ka na kasi andyan na agad yung given na yung respeto no? Hindi ka basta-basta na si Mon Del Rosario, kausap mo. Kumbaga, meron ka ng, especially among artists, if you look up to somebody na medyo makikinig-kinig na agad sila.
Medyo nakakatanda.
More experience lang.
Siguro,
Speaking of that, no? Sabi ko, over the years, medyo hindi ka na nag-pursue na sarili mo recording career, which everyone knows naman that you're an excellent singer. Hindi mo na talaga naisip yun.
Yes. Occasionally, I perform. Meron akong grupo, kasama ko sila. Si Nonoy Tan.
Oh, si Nonoy.
Saka isa pang sikat na composer, si Tito Kayamanda. We have a group, maestro.
Talaga?
We do perform a special show.
When you sing maestro, what type of songs do you sing?
We sing our own songs.
Talaga?
Yan, yun yung
unique.
Yun yung unique.
So, you also sing like, you sing Unang Halik.
Yan, mga hit songs sa amin. Pero yun naman yung My Love Will See You. Mga hits namin.
Okay, how's the elections? Marami pa nagpagawa sa'yo ng gym?
Madami-dami, pero walang gusto magbayad sa composer. Iyan ang masaya doon.
Iyan ang masaya doon. Ay, nako. Ano yan, hindi naman po. Paano yan? Di sa pro bono na. Wala nang, hindi mo na mahahabol. O Phil Shop ang dapat sumabol.
Actually, hindi eh. Ang dapat sumabol niyan, mga music publisher.
Music publisher?
Oo. Sila yung tasked with collecting sa mga politician. Na gumagamit ng mga kanta.
Mga kantang...
Oo.
Wow. Kasi, kailan ba yun? A few weeks back, I think we had si Dochi.
Dochi Goroste.
We were talking about that precisely. Yung mga political jingles. Diba?
Dapat talaga magbayad.
Oo nga eh.
Pero minsan ang hirap maningil eh. Halimbawa, isang barangay sa tuktok ng bundok. Paano mo sisingilin yung jingle na, di ba?
Pero congratulations to what you have done for Phil Shop, ha? Talagang you've professionalized the industry.
Well, hindi lang naman ako, no? I work with a 15-man na board. Independent-minded.
Right.
Sobrang smarte.
Lahat
ang gagaling. Oo, wala akong masabi talaga.
Well, at least in terms of delegation, hindi ka mahihirapan.
Hindi naman.
And you have a DVD out.
Yes.
The voice training course in a box.
That's correct.
Yan. Okay. What we're going to do is basically, speaks for itself, the voice training course in a box. So, parang, papanoorin nila and they will learn.
Ganun nga. It's, parang self-contained na training. Ano yan, accumulated na skills and know-how I've acquired through years na pag-handle ng mga pro at mga semi-pro na singers. Tapos, nag-design ako ng curriculum. I-create ako ng mga vocal exercises in video format. Take note,
Hindi merong mga instructions gumagalaw. Maganda to,
Para to simplify yung exercises. At the same time, para masaya.
Right.
I actually call yung what I'm doing in the context ng educational entertainment.
Wow.
Yan yun.
Edutainment.
Edutainment.
Galing, Okay, we'll just pause for a moment. We'll get back. We'll talk more about this voice training course in a box edutainment by Mondo Lusario here on All the Way. So stay with us.